Alright guys, what's poppin'? It's your boy XO, and in this video guys, I will show you guys how to trade using the imbalance. Okay guys, not imbalance actually, this is going to be using guys, I will show you guys how to trade using order blocks in the forex market, how to scalp the market using order blocks like the banks, how the banks trade, and how to get really good sniper entries in the forex market. Let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, so first and first, we want to look for an area where the market tanked, like really strong, like a strong momentum to the downside. And looking at things at this point, you can see that the market broke out from the 200 EMA line, which is not necessary, but I'm looking for an area where the market really moved down. As you can see, this candlestick is a strong bearish candlestick to the downside, and this week, the last bullish candlestick before this huge drop, to me is going to be my this is going to be the order block. I can either use this bullish candlestick or this bullish candlestick because this is where the market really tanked. But for the sake of this video, I'll be using this candlestick because this was the last candlestick, the last bullish candlestick that formed for this massive strong bearish candlestick to the downside. So we will draw out our horizontal ray from this this candlestick low, the week, and the candlestick week high. Oh sorry, so let's use the horizontal ray and let's draw it on the highs of this candlestick on the week. So guys, this lower side of the wick is going to be the entry, and this other wick, this other line is going to be our stop loss. So let's take the trade and see how it's going to be if it was in the live market. So once price comes back to that line, we're going to get triggered in the trade, and your stops just at that line. And you can trail your stops or targets a 1 to 2, a 1 to 1.5, a 1 to 3, a 1 to 4, whichever you want to use, guys. That is good. But you see where the market retraced from and come back to touch the order block. I would use that point as my target. So clearly down here is going to be my target, my main target. So 3.25 or 26. As you can see, that was a beautiful win. And this strategy is really easy, trading the order blocks like the banks, how the banks trade and manipulate the market. The order blocks is really easy. So this is the 3 rules you need in trading, because wait for the last candlestick before a strong move to the downside, wait for a retracement back to the order block, and take a trade. 3 rules, really simple, and target the points where the market retraced from. And guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to learn how I trade and you want me to teach you one-on-one, DM me on Instagram and let's talk, and I will fix a time for us to trade, and I'll teach you how to trade live, like one-on-one, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. See you guys. Stay XO.